Good morning, grade 4. How are you? For today, inshallah, I will talk about the transport and communication. It's lesson 4, page 128. Okay. In this lesson, I will explain how transportation and communication have influenced our economics activities. And we will learn how technology has increased independence between our region and the world. First of all, I have the first title is the development of transport. Here I have a table that explains forms of transport in a specific stage of history, and with a special or specific stage of history, I have a specific economic developments. Let's see the first stage of history. I have the ancient time. In that time, I have horses, camels, animal-drawn carts, boats, and ship as a forms of a transport. Okay, here, look, people used to travel from one place, okay, carry food and people by animals and a boat. Okay, let's see now economic development. I have a stable and ends along a transport road. I have ports, cities to supply goods with supplies, and I have canal and waterway for river boat, and I have a small harbor or port for sea craft. Did you see how I have a simple forms of a transport and I have a simple economic development because according to this stage of history. Okay, here in the second page, I have 1800. I have here steam trains and ship. Look how, okay, I have here a development of a transport. I have a development, of course. Here I will see that I have a economic development more. Look, with this kind of a trains and ship, I have increased coal mining to fuel steam powered train and ship. Of course, I will search in order to provide this kind of transport with power. Here I have coal mining to fuel steam, okay, for train and ship, and I have more trading between distant countries. Of course, if I have a modern or more developed kind of transport, it will enable me in order to trade with other countries. So now I have more trading between distant countries. Now for trains, I should what? Build railway. Okay, so now I have railway town that could supply train and passenger. That's it according to 1800, sorry. Now I will talk about this special kind of this special stage of history, which is 1900. 1900, in 1900, I have here cars, planes, and other form of transport. Look at the forms of transport. I have more modern form of transport. Okay, what about the economic development? Here I have drilling for oil. The companies started to drill for oil and other fuels, and they started to build road, airports for the plane, and parking area. So, and I have more developed trading. So I have now big factories. I have big and more economic development, and I have a transport of goods from factories to the market, and I have the leisure travel. Leisure travel, it means to travel for to entertain, okay, to make a vacation in other countries, in other place, in other states. Okay, that's it about leisure travel. Okay, that's it for today. See you later.